I'm Tennille and I'm going to show you how to make a hanging storage rack. The great thing about this project is it's nice, quick, cost-effective and a beautiful way to get your stuff off the floor and on display. For this project you will need a dowel, any size you like, some S-hooks, an awl, jute webbing, sandpaper, spray paint, and your protective equipment. I'm going to start by spray painting my S-hooks with this beautiful rose gold colour. Before I do that, I am going to have to give them a light sand so that the spray paint does have something to adhere to. Now I'm going to move on to my handles. You can cut these however long you like. Now I'm going to use this length to cut the second handle. I've decided to make my strap a little bit thinner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and then poke the holes through where the hook's going to go with the awl. Now I'm going to move on to the handles for the S-hooks. I'm just going to repeat the same steps. You can make these any lengths you like. Now that my S-hooks are dry, I can weave them through the jute. Last thing I need to do is slide these over the dowel. And would you look at that? A nice, quick, affordable way to get everything off the floor and nice and tidy. From messy to dressy. I absolutely love how this has turned out. I've installed this using wall hooks, however if you're renting, you can use 3M hooks.